Alright, no polar bear challenge today. It's too warm. Last temperature I saw was 49 degrees. Kind of breezy out. The south wind we've got bringing this warm weather in. I wanted to do a sound check on my new helmet here. Went all the way over to M&M Motorsports yesterday. It was about a 30-mile round trip, I think. And they had a lot of selection, but nothing that I wanted. So I ended up back at my dealer on the Kansas side. Ended up with this HJC. It's white in color. It's a full face rather than a modular helmet. It's got the drop-down sun shield. And the pin rest anti-fog feature. This helmet didn't originally have the pin rest, but another one of the same brand style did. So the parts guy said, well, I'll just switch out the shields for you and give you that one. So I got exactly what I was looking for. And I think the helmet is quieter. Almost sounds like I've got earphones in. Don't hear the bike running as much. See how it is with the video sound here. Wasn't quite as warm yesterday. It was kind of a cool hour or two ride by the time I got through. Yep, real stiff winds today. We'll see how that comes across on the video. Also trying out a new mount here. Went down to Best Buy and needed a curved mount for the GoPro for the helmet. And couldn't find just the mount by itself, so I had to get one with what they call a helmet mount. I think it's going to work out pretty good. Actually keeps the GoPro down on the level of my chin bar. It doesn't stick up in front of my faceplate like the other one did. I think maybe this helmet's a little bit heavier than my modular G-Max helmet. I know I can really feel the difference with the GoPro on the front of it now. Have to do neck exercises here. Yeah. Another motorcyclist out today. This may be our last time for a while that we'll have a chance to ride. Supposed to have rain, possible freezing rain, and maybe some snow towards the weekend. They're even talking about temperatures that will allow for snow to stay for Christmas. Personally, I could care less, but that might make a few people happy. Yeah, I'd say it's kind of breezy out here. I probably won't go too far. think this helmet's going to be a little warmer for polar bear rides. Don't have as much leaking around the face shield and such with this one. Hopefully I've got this angle set up okay. This mount actually gives me a little more flexibility with the angle of the camera, since it's designed to be exactly where it is, although the picture on the package showed it mounted up top of the helmet. I've got mine at the chin instead of at the peak. I don't think it would work on the peak because the face shield raising up would get in the way. Yep, definitely got the wind out of the south, bringing in the warm. Saying 20 and possible gusts to 30. I won't be going too far here. Well, this will probably be the last video I'll have before Christmas, so I just wish everybody that happens to see this a Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year. Hopefully I'll be able to get in a PVC or two before the New Year hits, but you never know.